Hello, my name is Dustin Pass. As a business owner, I understand how valuable time can be to an individual, so I'll get right to the point. Anytime you offer a paid product, there are always skeptics, especially in the Forex industry. This video is simply to verify to you that the information you receive from me is coming from someone that not only knows how to trade, but actively manages several pooled accounts successfully. It's an unfortunate truth that the majority of the training material and signaling products available today were developed by individuals that failed as traders. It seems that anyone can bundle a set of indicators together and sell it as a system. There are very few individuals who can successfully trade the Forex, and even fewer that are willing to share the information that led them to their success. With that said, at this point, I'd like to show you a couple of live accounts that I personally trade. As you can see, I've been building a few positions on two separate currencies. We've got some positions on the euro and also some positions on the chef. As you can see, they've really begun to pay out nicely over the last few days. Currently, these accounts combined are up around $60,000 on open positions. Now, I want to show you one more thing to make sure that all skepticism is dispelled. The next thing you may be asking is, how do I know that these accounts are not just demos? That one's actually quite easy to answer. See, when you trade a managed account, you're paid in a couple of different ways. The first way is through performance fees. The second is through management fees. And the last is through commissions. As we go through the history on these accounts, I want you to take note of a couple of things. The first thing we're going to look at, the first account, I should say, that we're going to look at, I just began managing recently. At first glance, there are a couple of things that should probably stick out. The first of which would be that there are no losses on this account. As you look through this account, you see that all the trades are positive. The first trade in this particular account was $3,000 profit, $2,000, and $110 on down. And as you can see, again, there are no negatives. So that should be the first thing that sticks out. The second thing that should stick out is the PF and the CM. These stand for commissions and performance fees. These are the kind of things you're not going to see in a demo account. In addition to that, when the account was first opened, if you scroll to the top, we'll see where it says POA, Forex Master Maker Dustin. POA stands for Power of Attorney. This is what the client signs to give me the legal right to trade their account on their behalf. So again, as you can see, this is obviously a live account, and you can see where some performance fees were paid out, commission fees paid out there. These negatives you're seeing here are performance fees and commission fees, again, not trades. All the trades are going to be, there's going to be data all the way across on all the trades. Moving on to the second account. The second account is a pooled account, and as we look over the history, you'll notice again the commissions and performance fees paid out, indicating that this is a live account. Additionally, you're going to see that on this account there are also very few losses. What negatives you are going to see are, for the most part, commissions and performance fees. Of course, we've got more history on this. This is not from the beginning of the account, but you can see the deposits, the different adds where they've added money and they've subtracted money. This is just individual traders depositing funds and removing their funds. And you can see performance fees and management fees. As we go down, we'll see some profits. There's a $5,000 trade, $7,000, $7,000. Continue to scroll through, and again, these are performance fees and maintenance fees. These negatives, these are not losses on the account. These are trades here: 8,000, 5,000, 7 or 3,000. And again, these are just adds for performance fees and management fees. And as we continue down, we have a $7,000 trade. A $900 trade. We encounter our first losses. Got a couple of $16,000 losses there. Those are our first losses. I believe there are only, we may have one more loss on here. Some minor gains, $2,300, $500, $900. Have an $11,000 trade, a $46,000 trade, $12,000 trade, a $16,000 trade. And then maybe a few more miscellaneous trades for some small profits. Have one more loss. This is 66 lots. This is like a pip, 2 pips. And then a few pips gain here. Not a whole lot here. Small profits. Some more small profits. And another small trade here for $1,200. And of course the existing trades we're in. Again, we're up about almost $40,000 on this account. And on this account, on open positions, we're up about $25,000. And as you can see, these positions, this is live. I want to make sure you know that I'm not creating this video to brag or show off. I consider myself extremely blessed to have the opportunity to be involved in such a lucrative industry. I just want to make sure that if you choose to take part in one of my products, that you take part with the confidence that the information you're receiving is coming from an individual that actually trades and not just some slick marketer trying to sell you on a pipe dream. Additionally, I hope the video brings you to the realization that I actually have a desire to help traders become successful. Obviously, I make a decent living just trading. I definitely do not rely on the income from the additional services I provide. However, if I was to give it away, the information would not be taken serious. Again, I appreciate the fact you took the time to watch this video and wish you the best.